For this tab, the MET in week 5, or metabolic equivalency table, you're going to record your activity every 15 minutes of one 24-hour day. And it's okay to pick a weekend day or a weekday or a slow day or an active day. That depends on what you're interested to find out about yourself. This is going to track how many calories you spend throughout one 24-hour period. So I'm just going to type in my activity. Let's just say I wake up by 6:45 and get ready. And after that I'm stretching, something very much slower. Let's put study. Now all of these will need to be filled in with the activity that you're doing. I'm just highlighting some ideas for you so that you can understand how to fill this out. So you're going to fill in all of the green cells, otherwise you won't get credit for the 24-hour period. The next most important step is to fill in these yellow areas. So you can see this is matching with this color over here. What you'll need to do is get a value, a numeric value for the activity that you're doing. So for sleep, that's going to be the very lowest level activity, so that's going to be 0.85, and I'm going to have 0.85 for all the times that I'm sleeping, and then that would of course carry over into, let's say, go to bed at 8 o'clock. So alright, you can see it's automatically adding up, so you don't need to do any math, and it's recording 1 hour's worth of sleep. So for jogging, it's going to be something like light jogging, I get a value of 5. That's really great. And I'm going to put 5, 5. And then stretching is going to be back down to a 1. And driving is a 1. Studying is going to be a 1. And if I was doing some busy interactions with a bunch of people, I might give myself a 1.5. And you can see it's starting to add up. Now, automatically all this is going to total down and be around 100 and something, and you can see it's automatically filling in this cell. What you'll need to do is put your weight here, because we're going to look your weight up according to this table right here. So there's your weight goes here, and the corresponding number with your weight, so let's look it up. For me it would be 18.5. And now you can see it automatically is going to total my lowest number here, my sum total of all the activities, with this number that is related to my weight. You can see I have a higher amount of weight over here. If your weight doesn't happen to be listed in here, either because you're not 100 pounds or because you're more than 240, either multiply your weight by 2 and find your number, or divide your weight and then multiply by 2 in this cell right here to get that total. So once all of these are filled in, then this number right here is going to be somewhere between 100 and 150, and then it's going to be added together by your weight and give you this number. When you do your calorie intake, then we're going to have that number automatically fill here, and you'll see a relationship between your expenditure and your intake.